to remain in the vicinity of another person, and we think about how to deal with it. We actually deal with that person. Be it our employee, be it our employer, be it our father, mother, parents, kids, anything. But when another one, apart from me, is concerned, there is a relationship between.
So you are saying that for a relationship to exist, there has to be at least two parties involved, and they have to be in vicinity. Cannot a relationship exist, let's say, when they are not in vicinity?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
was I read that.
No, I don't think.
Okay, so let's hear why you don't think.
Yeah, because somebody met me today. We go apart. She is or he is in USA, and I'm. We are not sharing anything any further.
So another parameter we define out there is like there has to be two parties involved and they have to share something.
Sure.
Okay. Any other thing anybody wants to add?
Look, basically, a relation is a name, you can say, through which we set a parameter to communicate, to transfer emotions, values, business, or maybe anything. तो एक वो सिर्फ नाम है, जैसे हम ऑफिस में हैं, देयर इज अ बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप, माय कोलीग्स, उनसे हम कुछ एक पैरामीटर उसके ऊपर हम बात करते हैं, काम करते हैं, एंड वी गो फर्दर. घर में माँ हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, वाइफ हैं, बच्चे हैं, सेट पैरामीटर्स, उनके ऊपर हम वहां पे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं एंड बिहेव अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट पैरामीटर. अभी कहाँ तक फिट होता है मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे लगा मैंने बोल दिया.
नहीं, ठीक है. तो आपके हिसाब से कम्युनिकेशन भी बहुत जरूरी है.
हाँ, और जहाँ ये गैप होता है वहीं वो फिर
चीजें खराब होनी स्टार्ट होती.
और जैसे अगर दो रियल नहीं हो, आप नहीं भी मिले हो, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो इट इज देयर, बिकॉज इन ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड माइट बी माई कलीग सिटिंग इन यूएस, आई हैव नेवर सीन हिम, बट आई एम टॉकिंग टू हिम एवरी डे, माइट बी इन ईमेल.
Yeah. So, but
just to add one point here, so communication can be very subtle also. It can be just via your thoughts also. Okay, your child is, let's say, in US or wherever. You may be able to communicate with him via thoughts. You don't have to really call that person or physically meet that person. Your relationship can continue to exist for years and years,
Yes.
just because you're thinking about this.
If you're really close to that person,
Yeah.
connected through the heart.
okay. So based on all the definitions, what I can define is relationship is something that two parties have to be involved. There has to be a basis emotional involvement in that, and people can communicate either through phones or through any virtual medium we are using, or through our thoughts also.
I don't really agree with two parties. I mean, it can be, I can have a relationship with myself.
Yes, you are having a relationship with yourself. That is another self of yours.
Anyway.
So again, it's two parties. Okay, but then, do you think is there anything else we define a relationship, or we can say this is the relationship definition? Okay, so let's take it this way: कि our relationship definition is only limited to this. But अगर इतना सिंपल होता हम लोगों के लिए, सबके लिए एक ही रिश्ता रखना है कि हमें सिर्फ बात ही तो करनी है, तो सब लोग इतनी प्रॉब्लम क्यों झेलते हैं? या हमें रिश्ते मेंटेन करने की इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस क्यों है?
I think that goes back to the evolution of the human race.
नहीं, each generation has some expectation, and once the person not meeting that expectation, वहीं पे फिर प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाती है.
लेकिन अगर आप अपने आप से खुश हो, तो आप, जैसे मनोज जी ने बोला था कि अगर आप अपने आप से खुश हो तो आपको किसी और की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Because we don't exist, means we are not only one on this earth. We are social element.
Yes.
Sorry, animal. So we have to, means we want or not, we are related to each other. So we have to develop some means of say communication or to stay with each other. So relationship exists itself. Be it we want with another or not, but it is we call relationship like we are closely associated with. though we are all connected, but we called relationship with someone directly affecting me or getting affected by me.
पर रिश्तों की इम्पोर्टेंस कहाँ समझ आती है हमें सबसे ज्यादा?
If things does not work out properly, अगर मतलब एक रिश्ता होता है कि उससे थोड़ी सी कंफर्ट मिल सकती है और उससे नहीं मिल रही है.
Yeah, I mean, this is a fundamental difference here, which, how I take relationships. So, you enter a relationship to get something or to give something, or both.
Yeah, but then why you want to give something? Why you
No,
want to
I'm kind of, because he was saying we get some comfort from some relationship and
Gives
different
you a
things from different
sorry.
relationships. Sorry. And I believe you should enter a relationship to give. Whether it's giving love, giving money, giving whatever. Okay? Because the moment you enter a relationship to take something, you set an expectation.
Right.
And someday it's going to fade because you have a dependency outside you. And it's not good for the relationship, of course. But the moment you enter it to give, relationship works very strong.
I think the relationship is more so necessary because it gives you a sense of belongingness. You know, you cannot live in an isolation.
True.
So it gives you a sense of belongingness, it gives you a sense of security, it gives you emotional both stability when you are in a good relationship with people.
True.
So that is actually required for an emotional, balancing.
Correct. And just to relate this, what Arun just said to happiness as we were talking about, so our aim is to experience and share happiness. Whom will we share? I mean, if we are not related to anyone, so we want to share that, right, with someone. So I think that's why also we need relationships.
So, सबसे ज्यादा हार्ट अटैक्स बीमारियों का रीजन क्या हो सकता है फिर? महेश जी ज्यादा अच्छे से बता सकते हैं, पर then still.
बट यही है कि मतलब जैसे मेल्स को ज्यादा होता है क्योंकि वो शेयर नहीं करते हैं अपने इमोशंस को, तो वो एक टाइम पे बर्स्ट होता है तो एज अ हार्ट अटैक सामने आता है.
Okay. So one part is that we are not sharing any part of our life, so that could be the reason for our diseases, our problems on health level. So in a gist, I can say that if we have a relationship with people around us, we feel happy because we are sharing whatever we have with them, and that is our basic need. And if we don't have it, then we are not emotionally happy.
Means it's not our it's like imposed on something because we have to live. I am complacent in myself.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm wandering here and there. I don't mind, but I am attached to other people since birth. So I have to. It's not
You
needed.
can remove that attachment also one day. So if you think you're complacent and you don't need anybody, you can remove yourself from anybody and stop talking, then what would happen to you? You're so complacent in yourself. Why do you need relationship? That is the basic point.
In that sense, nobody needs any relationship.
वही बात है ना, हैप्पीनेस के लिए चाहिए हमें.
Yeah. So whatever we are doing, other people in our lives act as our moral support system. We are more happy to share it with people. Anybody who is not able to share it with anyone, he would not be happy. So let's assume you are on a